Hey, what's up, Pundi X Holder? So it's an emergency video for Fundi X Holder. Keep watching, my brother. I am sick, but this video is going very important for Fundi X Holder. So keep watching. This is technical analysis, and you watching ABS Tech. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this type informative video of all cryptocurrencies. So please just click out to subscribe and don't forget to like this video, please, if you enjoy this video. So let's get started this brand video. Hope you subscribe ABS Tech channel. Guys, first of all, I'm gonna show you the last 1 hour latest price prediction. This time, if you can see here, not this which I show you guys, this is absolutely very important gone. So if you can see here, the changes is absolutely starting in a positive. Congratulations, Pundi X Holder. Every cryptocurrency as goes down in those days, but at the morning, Pundi X starting growing off like a rocket. You can see here absolutely the change start in the positive. So plus 0.49% they're gone up. So this is absolutely a latest. You can see here absolutely a high jump. Absolutely a high jump. So if they take it this type jump, I hope they can cross it $1 easily. My expectation is $1, and everyone can say that they can cross $1. What's your opinion? Please share it in a comment box. Let's check it out, the last 1 day result, and then we deciding to what's going on, what's we do. Okay, so oh my goodness, absolutely I am right. And the last 24 hours and a few days, absolutely all cryptocurrencies has gone down like this. Pundi X also goes down minus 7.93%. it goes down. So absolutely this is not a small dump, absolutely this is very big. But if you can see here in the graph result, absolutely here they can go like a rocket hub. So I hope they're starting upward. You can see here the graph is also goes down, but here they can change it. You can see here absolutely they goes like a rocket. So congratulations, my brother, congratulations, my Pundi X holders. Today is the day of Pundi X. So absolutely this is good time for buying. My opinion is to buy. Absolutely this is good time for buying. If you want to buy, then absolutely this is good time. But otherwise if you not want to buy, then absolutely this is just my opinion, cannot order you. That's your choice to you buy or sell it. So thanks for watching, brothers. Hope you enjoy this video. This is very informative for you. Please, this is absolutely buying time. Start, please. And Pundi X going like a rocket, and just in a few days at the mid of month they can show you a result. Absolutely at the end they can give you absolutely a good profit. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Don't forget to subscribe channel and also like video.